Here we are demoing 25 gig Gearbox chip from MoSys. This particular test is devised to showcase the functionality of the Gearbox. What we have is the JDOC tester, is the ONT606 tester, a 10 gig tester. So you could see there are 10 by 10 gigabits lane coming out of the tester, and there are two of them, two rows, one for the transmitter, the other for the receiver. The 10 gig lanes go into our chip, the receiver of the chip, where it gets recovered and synchronized before it's sent out to the 25 gig lanes. The 25 gig lanes on the same MoSys chip can transmit through a pretty long backplane or a cable, such as in this case. Now we have used a QSFP cable. It's a 30 kg and about 2 meters of a cable, which amounts to about 15 dB of loss, and then gets back into our 25 gig receiver on this side. So if you see, the total channel loss we are talking about is around 25 dB at 12.5 gigahertz. However, in this particular test, we are trying to overrun it, meaning instead of 100 gig data, we are actually sending 111.81 gigabits of Ethernet traffic. That translates into a line rate of 27.96 gigabits per second on this side. So once you transform into 25 gig and then you again send it back to the 10 gig domain, where the transmitter of the MoSys Gearbox then retransmit that data back into the tester, so that the complete end-to-end functionality can be tested on the tester itself. At this point, let's go into the tester domain and look at the results. As you can see, all layers are okay, meaning the test that we set up, 27.96 per lane data rate, or a total aggregate of 111.81 gigabits, has been running error-free without any issues for the past 21 hours and 44 minutes. As you could see, all lanes have been in lock. We have been sending OTL traffic, so you could see from the configuration, DUT being our MoSys chip, we have the PHY layer, the OTL layer, the OTN layer, and the subsequent layers. So the entire stack has been stressed, and the data has been traveling through this stack through our PHY that I briefly explained just before, and it has been running error-free for the almost a day now. Just to show you, let me go to the PHY, and you could see the aggregate data rate shown here, the 111.81, and you could see all the lanes have been locked synchronously. Next, let me look at the receive status. No issues. You see everything is clean. Let me look at the overview of the virtual lane, the mapping of the virtual lane. So here you could see the 10 by 10 gig lanes have been virtually mapped to 20 lanes, and all of them have been running error-free, and they have been locked to the right data through the protocol. So that shows, the green layer OK shows that the link has been functional and running free of any issues. Like that, there are a few more statistics that you could see as we go through the layer stack, and as you see, everything shows a clean operation. Thank you.